If you need a vacuum that can collect a variety of different substances within a Division 2, Class 2, Group F or G environment, then the C-35 may be for you. A static conductive toolkit is included to help you vacuum safely and efficiently. We will demonstrate how easy it is to vacuum substances including flour, sawdust and chips, small and medium metal chips, and metal turnings. You can use the double bend wand and floor tool to collect powders on the ground. To empty the vacuum, use the manual filter shaker to dislodge caked on powders from the main filter and then detach the recovery tank. Reattaching the recovery tank is as easy as sliding it in and pushing the handle. The C-35 is third-party certified dust ignition protected by CSA, IIIC, and Ametek safety standards and complies with NFPA 77 recommended practices on static electricity. To learn more about the C-35 or other industrial vacuum and dust collection systems, visit Tiger-Vac.com or email us at sales@tigervac.com.